Hello my viewers around the globe. Really, I love you so much. This is Sima Legacy. For today's video, I want to show you how you can withdraw crypto from Binance to Coinbase. Just stick with me until the very end. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going on Binance under wallet and you go under fiat and spot. Click here. So under fiat and spot, this is the coin that we want to withdraw. So this is the coin that you are going to withdraw. You go on withdraw. So under here there is some things. Select the coin. This is the SOL that we are going to withdraw. Send it to address. So the address that we need the address from Coinbase. So you come here under Coinbase, send and receive. So you go on receive. So under receive, you're going to change the wallet to SOL because this is Bitcoin. So you click here. You look for a SOL. So once you've got it, you're going to click here and copy the SOL address. So you go back to Binance, then under Binance you paste it here. So boom, we've got our SOL address. So under here you're going to receive your crypto on spot wallet. You come here. So I want to send 12 SOL coins. So once you click here, withdraw. So they will ask you the amount you are going to send. You confirm with it, the network fee. So as you can see, the network fee for SOL, it is very low. This is the address to where I'm going to send, the network, then the SOL spot wallet. Ensure that the address is correct and on the same network. Transaction cannot be cancelled. So you continue. So once you're here, they will ask you your authenticator, the phone verification and the email. So once you're done with all of these ones, then you submit. So boom, you have withdrawn that money. And this is the amount that you're going to receive once it reaches there. So your withdrawal request is being reviewed and you will take approximately 12 hours. You can review the status of your withdrawal request in the withdraw history page. So you can see here from here that it is in process. So once it reaches here, you're going to track it from Coinbase. So boom, your money is already there. As you can see, just in a simple way, you've got your money. So this is how you can receive crypto with Binance to Coinbase. Thanks for today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the latest videos from Sima Legacy. Bye.